Hi, I'm David Farrar from McCarthy Homes and welcome to the Rise Estate here at Rochedale, showcasing today our brand new design, the Brookhaven 42. Triple gable with an ash grove facade, this Queensland-inspired home combines tradition with contemporary elegance. Set across 2 floors, boasting 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 entertaining spaces, a cellar and a double garage, our Brookhaven is a place to grow your family in style. This light and gracious staircase leads to a functional study. A seamless walkthrough to this stunning Federation-style kitchen, where centre stage is this spacious island bench. Your very own Butler's pantry and our premium European appliances will bring out the inner chef in every family. The kitchen integrates with an open dining and living area. This is the way to entertain. Great food, great conversation and plenty of space to chill out. And for those who like to stock up on a little vintage, a cellar worth bragging about. Separated from the rest of the house, this lounge offers comfort and privacy. Here is a great outdoor entertaining area and pool. It's Queensland, so taking a dip will be a daily ritual. But the best is yet to come. Let's head to the first floor. A generous walkway leads us to your own master suite with a luxurious ensuite and a walk-in robe big enough for your own catwalk. Spoil your kids with this Jack and Jill ensuite. Yet another ensuite accompanies the guest room. If you'd like to take a private tour of the Brookhaven, talk to one of our team members. Thanks for joining us and we'll see you soon.